Hey guys, welcome back to CyberPeace TV and another cyber secure video. My name is Ishban Yadav and today we are going to talk about a topic which is very relevant and I'm sure it's on your mind, COVID vaccine. Beware of COVID vaccine scam. Everyone in the entire world was waiting for a COVID-19 vaccine and the day has finally come. While this news is terrific for all of us, we have to wait for COVID-19 vaccine as it will be administered to high-risk groups first, as it should be done. The general population will be vaccinated, but it will surely take a substantial amount of time for that to happen. But this time frame will give scammers an opportunity to dupe people like you and me into getting a fake vaccine. Fake vaccine? Is that even possible? This, ladies and gentlemen, is a very difficult time for people where their mental health has taken a big hit. And to be able to get a vaccine would be a huge deal. This makes everyone more vulnerable to fall prey to such scammers. Now, scammers will try to sell you fake vaccines that are not only ineffective but also not prepared by experts, and that can be dangerous. They will claim to have the vaccine and will try to sell them to you at a higher price. Vulnerable people are most likely to fall for such scams as everyone is eagerly waiting for the vaccine. Fraudsters might also pretend to register you for COVID-19 vaccine. They would call their victims asking for Aadhaar, email, etc. and then the OTP for Aadhaar, which is sent to the registered phone number. Using all this information, fraudsters will easily be able to scam off money from Aadhaar-linked bank accounts. It can either be you or me. Okay, Ishman, you have scared us enough. So how do we exactly stay safe here? Now, scammers might ask you to register yourself for the vaccination to seem more legitimate, but there is no registration for COVID-19 vaccine yet. Also, never ever share your credentials such as Aadhaar, personal email, phone numbers, etc. over the phone or even email. Also, ensure to never share any OTP that is sent to your registered mobile number with anyone. When you are calling customer service of any company, make sure you double check their contact number from the official website rather than some third party site. Please make sure that senior citizens are informed about the scam as they naturally are more vulnerable to fall for this one. See, we have to be patient for our turns and in the meantime have a positive mindset to keep yourself safe. And by chance if you fall for such scams or even come across such scams, report them immediately. So this was it from the video today. I request you to share it to as many people as possible. For more information, you can log on to cyberpeace.org and you can reach out to us on our WhatsApp number, which is 957 000 0066. That's 957 50066. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, comment down below if you have any thoughts or any feedback, and I will see you soon in the next cyber secure video. Subscribe to CyberPeace TV. Bye. Good night.